Okay, so on this one, let me bring it down here. So this is log v equals z. Now, what's funny about this logarithm is there's really not a base. So let me write the following note to be helpful. Every log really has a base. If the base is not showing, it's really 1. If the base is not showing, oh, sorry, it's 10. If the base is not showing, then it's really 10. If the base is not showing, it is 10. So I'm just going to write in the 10 right there. Is that making sense? Every log really has a base. There's no such thing as a logarithm without a base. It's got to have a base. So what it is over time, it's just math like any other field. People, when people use logarithms, engineers and stuff in the real world for so long, when they used them, they just grew tired. They used the 10 base so often, they just grew tired of writing it. So after a while, they just said, look, if I don't write any base, you know it's 10. If I don't write a base, you know it's 10. Just assume it's 10. That's kind of what happened over time. They use log base 10. It's actually called the common log. Let me write that. It's called the common log because it was used so commonly. So in engineering and other fields, geology and things like that, they use it for Richter scale and things like that. Anyway, they use it so commonly, they didn't mention it after a while. So if no base is showing, if the base is not showing, it's really 10. It's really 10. So the base is 10. So the base is really 10 on that one. So, okay, so what? So now we can change to exponential form. So how do we change to exponential form? What are we going to do? Well, to change to exponential form, you know how to make this change now, right? So I'm going to bring this down here, and I'm going to go log base 10 of v equals z. Now that we know that 10's really there, and then what do you do from here? You grab this right here, and you do this little trick. You go right up here and right to there. So it'll become 10 to the z equals v. 10 to the z equals z. We made the change. So this is exponential form, right? Notice there's no log anymore. So whenever you do that little trick, you lose the log word. See how I lost the log word? There's no more log. There's no more log there. It's gone. And so that's the answer. They want 10 to the z equals v. We changed it to exponential form. So run this over one more time. The original log had no base, but that means the base is 10. It's called the common log. If they don't show the base, it's really there, it's 10. And then to change from log form to exponential form, the trick is we grab the base and we do this little swoop. When you do this little swoop, then you change to exponential form and you have lost the log. You change the form. There we go.